Hi everyone, welcome to my page. In today's video I'll be showing you how I make this delicious and yummylicious Nigerian puff puff. Please, if you find this video interested, keep watching. Let's get started. In a mixing bowl, I will be adding 4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of sugar, 1/4 of nutmeg, 1/4 of salt, 4 teaspoons of yeast. Mix until well combined before adding in your water or your milk. Firstly, I started by adding 1 cup of water bit by bit. Once I'm done with that, I went ahead and added 1 more cup of water until I get my desired consistency. So keep turning until it is well combined. Once that is done, I will stir, cover it and keep in a warm place so it can proof. Depending on the temperature of your room, you will cover it for about an hour. It has been 1 hour 10 minutes now. I'm going ahead to heat the oil. Once I'm done with that, I'm going ahead to check on the puff puff mixture. As you can see, it has doubled in size. Give it a stir so that it turns back to its normal size and start frying. Scoop it with your hands and drop it gradually in the oil. Remember to set your stove on medium heat because if it is high, it is going to brown outside while inside remain uncooked. If low, it's going to soak more oil. Keep turning the both sides so that they can fry. When both sides are golden brown, take out the puff puff ball. Allow to cool down for some minutes, then it is ready to be served. It is served as a snack or as you desired. It tastes so delicious. We have come to the end of today's video. Hope you are enjoying it. Please don't forget to follow this page, like, share and comment to know when I upload a new video. Thank you so much guys, and remember